towards me. 3-point blank. And you let my proclamation blow in the wind. Those are very important documents. Nah, bro, I'm not opening my hand. You guys already assaulted me. I'm not opening my hand. You do not have the right to search me or my vessel. I'm not opening my hand. Nothing. Not a weapon. Y'all searching me. You in my pocket. I ain't got it in my pocket. I ain't got shit on you. You do not have the right to search my vessel. You do not have the right to search my vessel. You do not have the right to search my vessel.
You have the keys? No, this one has the keys.
You do not have the right to search my vessel. You do not have the right to search my vessel. Title 18, subsection code 241 and 242 will violate you guys for this. I don't care. I'm not opening my hand. I'm not about to fight you. I'm not opening my hand, bro. No. 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 You fight. I don't give a fuck. You guys already, you violating my rights right now. I'm not opening my hand. Y'all gonna have to beat me. Y'all gonna have to beat me. Y'all gonna have to beat me. Y'all have to beat the shit out of me. Why is this? No, bro. No, you guys don't have the right to search me. You guys don't have the right. You guys don't have the right to search me. Why am I under arrest? I didn't commit no crime, though. Why am I under arrest? I did not run from you guys. I exercised my rights. I exercised my rights. I exercised my rights. 3-point blank. Ain't want nobody commit no crime. Want nobody commit no crime. Look, bro. Look, bro. Y'all can put me out on that door.
What's up, Alex?
LA 796
Yeah, I started doing 80.